Hello everyone, I'm here to make an announcement. I I'm working, as I've said before, not everyone probably knows that, but I'm working on a tabletop RPG made for children 7 years old and up. And I'm announcing that I'm publishing the first version, the beta test, let's say like that. It's a playtest uh, version uh, for free, and I would like you guys to try. The document still needs a lot of work. I'm naming it zero point 0.1 version. I still need to add art, I still need to balance the system, I need to test the system, which I really want you guys to do if you want, of course. And it would help me a lot if you guys downloaded the PDF and try it out with your kids and children. And this is the thing, I want this game to help you guys get closer to your kids. If you play RPG and your children are always like uh, getting in the middle of your game with your friends and things like that, this would be a chance to play something with them. So they would kind of like experiment the world of RPG. My intention with this game is that it will be free once I finish it, it will be free as well. Uh, but it will be a long way until I get there. I still need to do all the layout. I need to finish a lot of parts of the book. I need to make the art. I want to insert pedagogic tips on it as well. I need to do a lot of things. This is really on a very, very early version of it, but this will serve me uh, to shape the final game. So, if you guys want to help me out, I will put the link here on the description below, and you can download and check it out. If you have any questions about it, you can ask me. You can place here in the comments. I will get to it. And all you need to do to play this game is get the PDF, get one dice or a set of dice. It uses the D6. I tried to make the game very, very simple, so it will be very simple. If you already play RPG, you might not be interested in it. If you play something like Dungeons and Dragons, for instance, if you play something like Dungeons and Dragons or Pathfinder, you might not be attracted to this game because it's only 1d6, and I've tried to make all the numbers go from 0 to 10, so it will be very, very easy for the kid to learn how to play. And that's it. Please check it out. Leave a comment. I'm also placing a link for a survey. If you guys are interested in help me out but don't want to be identified, you can answer the survey, and it's like questions if you found it fun, things like that. So yeah, that's it for now. It's in English. I'm not sure if will have the time. I will try to translate to other languages as well, but this early version it will be available only in English and maybe in Portuguese as well. So that's it. There's a small adventure as well. Uh, Try to check it out. It's not pretty yet because it does not have any art, but yeah, I've started this month because of this social distancing thing. I had a lot of free time during my afternoons and a little bit of my mornings. So yeah, I think I said too much already. So please check it out, and you guys see me later.